This was the matter of last week when I really needed the money due to some emergencies, and I was finding some ways through which I can make money instantly. And after doing a couple of research on the internet, I found three relevant ways through which you can make money instantly. I personally use this method, made money, and then making this video. So this is 100% sure you can make money easily and instantly from the methods that I will be mentioning in this particular video. See, as a teenager or a guy in your early 20s, you will always need money to bear your daily expenses. So, for that reason, I have come with three relevant ways through which you can make money instantly and cover all your daily expenses.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
So, let me make it clear in the first itself that this is not a part-time job. Whenever you need money, you need to put efforts on this particular method and you will be getting money instantly. Before we get started, I want you guys to give an explore to our channel and stay tuned with us by subscribing for more such amazing videos in future. So let's get started. The first platform which I'm using today is called as Angel One. You can easily create your Demat account on this particular platform and you can make money for yourself by the means of refer and earn option that is available on the Angel One platform. You can get up to 750 rupees for every single refer that you make on the Angel One platform. Now, this plan might vary anywhere between 750 rupees to 1200 rupees for every single referral on this particular application. And even if you make 5 people open their Demat account through your referral link, you can make easily up to 3750 rupees, which is decent amount of money for yourself. Angel One is a platform wherein you can invest and trade on stocks and you can start your SIP as well. So what you need to do is you need to educate people about these terminologies and make them open their Demat account through your referral link. And that was all about the first way to make money is by actually using the referral links that is being provided to you by Angel One application. Refer and earn is very easy if you have a strong network of people around you. You can easily share it with them and every single refer that you make, you will be getting money for that. So that is the pretty easiest thing that you can do. Grow your network and then tell them to open your Demat account through your referral link. So that is the pretty easiest thing that you can do and make money for yourself. Second way through which you can generate money is by actually using one more platform called as Gromo. Gromo is a platform wherein a lot of financial products are listed. You can easily sell them and make money for yourself. You can easily sell financial products like the personal loan, credit cards, and even insurance. Also, there are a lot of interesting financial products like the lifetime free credit cards wherein you don't have to pay any of the joining fees or an annual fees, which actually fascinates a lot of people. You can easily sell these products to them and make money as a middleman. For every single sale of credit card that you make on the Gromo platform, you will be getting 2000 rupees. And even if you make the sale for 5 people, you can make easily 10,000 rupees by the selling skill that you have. See, everybody will be needing these financial products, right? Like the insurances, credit cards. You just need to reach out to people and tell them to buy these products from your link so that you can make money from it. So it's just purely based on people's skill. You just need to convince people to buy these products from your links so that you can make money in between. Just educate people and sell your products, and that's how you can make money from the second way, that is through Gromo application.
मस्त प्लान है.
Third way through which you can make money is by actually using a famous application called as Upstocks. As you all know, Upstock is bombarding its advertisements on the IPL platforms as well, through which it is trying to create noise on the market as well. Replicating this process, if you make the advertisement for Upstocks, you will be getting paid for that. Same advertisement, if you do, you will be getting paid for that. That's what I mean. Firstly, you need to open your Demat account on the Upstock application and then refer it to other people so that you can earn money by the means of refer and earn option available on the Upstock application. You can easily make up to 500 rupees for every single refer that you make, 300 rupees for account opening, and 200 rupees whenever your referred person makes an investment or a trade on the Upstocks through your referral link. So 500 rupees you can easily make through the means of refer and earn by Upstocks. If your community is big and if you have network with a lot of people, then refer and earn process becomes very easy. You can just reach out to people and share your links and make them open their Demat account for free. In Upstocks, even if you refer it to 5 people, you can make easily up to 2.5k rupees, which is pretty good decent amount of money for yourself. The main thing that you need to keep in your mind is that whenever people will approach the big giant companies like the Upstocks or Angel One through the means of advertisements either on TVs or on mobile phones, you will be getting no money for that. Whereas if you approach people telling them to open their Demat account either on Upstocks or on Angel One, you will be getting paid for that. So that's how you play a middleman role between the big giant companies and the customers and make money for yourself. This concept is pretty simple, as if you are an advertiser for these big giant companies and you will be getting paid for that by the means of refer and earn option available on these big giant companies. What I'll really suggest is that network with people, grow with people, and then provide your referral link and tell them to open their Demat account through your referral link either on Upstocks or Angel One, and you can actually sell your products as well, the financial products to them as well, so that you can make money from them as well. So it completely depends on you. The more you refer, the more you earn. So that's how it works. So that was all about the 3 ways through which you can make money instantly. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. I will be answering them personally. And share this video with a friend of yours who wants money instantly so that they will be getting benefit from this as well. And if you really felt that this video was informative, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned with us by subscribing. I'll be seeing you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy earning.